Imagine yourself in this Hyundai 2013 Elantra GLS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are GLS Preferred Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio, AutoNet AM/FM CD MP3 with Sirius XM satellite, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning and manual air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.